While Indian sport in 2025 produced unforgettable moments of excellence, it was also a year repeatedly shaken by controversy. From political tensions spilling onto the field to lapses in administration and fan safety. Several incidents dominated headlines for reasons far removed from sporting achievement. These 5 controversies not only sparked debate and outrage but also raised serious questions about governance, accountability, and the responsibilities that come with the sport's massive public influence. The Asian Cricket Council was engulfed in controversy after its president Mohsin Naqvi did not present the Asia Cup trophy to the Indian team following the decision to decline a ceremonial handover. The Indian players' stance came in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack and Naqvi's anti-India stance, with the team choosing to avoid a public podium moment and a handshake with their Pakistani counterparts amid heightened sensitivities. With India refusing to accept the trophy from Naqvi's hands, the ACC chief stepped aside from the presentation, triggering widespread debate.
One day it will come. We have won the match against Pakistan 3-0. We have won all the remaining matches and we have won the trophy. We have won the championship. Everything is on record. Only the trophy is missing. And I think that fill up the gaps will be filled very soon. And I hope good sense will prevail with the persons who are keeping the trophy with them. And also, during this time when the trophy is not in BCCI headquarters, they will take proper care for maintenance of the trophy. They have to do everything to keep the trophy in proper shape and shine.
पहले मैंने यही बोला कि ये जो क्रिकेटर्स हैं, बीसीसीआई है और गवर्नमेंट है, सब अलाइंड है. अब जब जो चीज़ होती है उसके हिसाब से, उसके लिहाज से चलती है. और दूसरा ये इंडिविजुअल डिसीजन भी है. ऐसा नहीं कि इससे पहले नहीं हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं कि इसके बाद नहीं होगा. ज़रूर अभी कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ी हुई है, लेकिन क्रिकेट को मत भूलिए, क्रिकेट बड़ा अच्छा खेल रही है इंडियन टीम. सारी कंट्रोवर्सी एक तरफ, इंडियन क्रिकेट जिस तरह से आगे बढ़ रहा है वो दूसरी तरफ.
I think Indian team was from the beginning. I think we were clear. It is not like the final we had done this. We were not shaking hand. So I think this would have been the authorities would have been handled properly, because it's not. Yes, we agree that they are on the board, but we know that the situation is such a way, because for us also it was such a pressure to participate in that. And Indian team has gone there. They played there, and I think it was a respect to the cricket and ICC also, because we are being a part of Asia country. It was important to play this tournament. I think that's what Indian team has done.
One of the darkest moments of the year unfolded outside M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, where a stampede during a high-profile event to celebrate Royal Challengers Bengaluru's maiden IPL trophy win resulted in multiple casualties and injuries. The tragedy exposed glaring lapses in crowd management, ticketing controls and emergency preparedness. As investigations followed, questions were raised about the role of organizers, local authorities and stadium officials. The incident reignited concerns over fan safety in Indian sport, underscoring the urgent need for stricter protocols as live events continue to draw massive crowds.
ये बंगलौर में हादसा हुआ दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है. जितनी जो है उसके बारे में कहा जाए कम है. हम लोगों ने इसकी उम्मीद नहीं की थी, खासतौर से आयोजकों ने, कि 35,000 कैपेसिटी है स्टेडियम की, जिसमें फंक्शन था. 3 लाख लोग आ गए. किसी लीग मैच में इतने लोगों का आना जो है उसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी. तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्राउड था, उसकी वजह से हादसा हुआ, जो बहुत दुखद है. और हम सब लोग इसको जो मानते हैं कि मुझे लगता है कहीं न कहीं जो है हमें आगे बहुत एहतियात बरतनी होगी. इससे सबक लेना होगा कि आगे इस तरह घटनाएं ना हो. मुंबई में वर्ल्ड कप का वो हुआ था, तो उसमें सारे प्रिकॉशन लिए गए थे और रोड शो हुआ था, और उसके बाद स्टेडियम के अंदर हुआ था. कोई घटना नहीं हुई. कल अहमदाबाद में मैच था, कोई घटना नहीं हुई. तो इस तरह की घटना जो हुई है, इसके लिए आगे बहुत जो मुस्तैदी से काम लेंगे और इस तरह घटनाएं दोबारा ना हो, क्योंकि किसी को उम्मीद नहीं थी कि लीग मैच की जीतने पे इतनी भीड़ आ जाएगी. किसी को उम्मीद नहीं थी.
My deepest sympathies and condolences for the people who lost their lives, and to the families and the members of their family and friends. That shouldn't have happened. It was just unfortunate. As I said earlier, I don't want to go too deep into it. Who is at fault? I don't want to touch on that. And the whole situation is under investigation. So let's leave it at that, please.
What was billed as a historic and celebratory visit by Lionel Messi to India starting in Kolkata instead descended into confusion and disappointment from the fans, translating into violence. Poor communication, unclear schedules and unmet expectations led to widespread fan outrage, with many supporters feeling misled after purchasing expensive tickets and travel packages. The controversy snowballed as organizers issued conflicting statements while authorities distanced themselves from logistical failures. The episode not only dented trust among fans but also served as a cautionary tale about overpromising and under-delivering when global sporting icons are involved.
I think it's a very good visit, but unfortunately I think things did not go to plan. I think the organizers also were under huge pressure. I think what we saw and what we heard was there is unwanted lot of VIPs come into the stadium and surrounded Messi where the genuine fans did not get to see it. So I hope this kind of incident does not happen. The organizers should make sure that the genuine fans who come in, that 80,000 people came to watch, should actually get to see their real idol and their football hero.
In Kolkata and India, Messi is also worshipped as a football player, but this kind of thing which happens, how do you see it?
Every fans are going to get, very, very upset because some have come from very far off. We saw a lot of fans came from Northeast as well, even in Bengal, in Calcutta, and when you pay and when you come to see Messi where they worship him and you don't get to see with, a lot of unwanted self-claim VIP surrounding it, then it becomes very, very difficult.
Messi and Ronaldo are among the world's greatest footballers. They are followed by millions of fans through international media. What has happened yesterday in Kolkata is very unfortunate, and it has projected West Bengal in very negative light to the world. Over the years, Kolkata has seen several legendary players or teams has visited in West Bengal.
Voice management. टिकट खरीद के मेसी को दिखा ही नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं दिखा, लेकिन हो सकता था अगर मेसी को अकेले खड़े कर देता, सुआरेज, मेसी और डिपॉल जो था उसको अकेले खड़े कर देता बीच मैदान में, तो हम देख सकते थे कि वो है यहाँ पे। उनके चारों तरफ इतना मीडिया, इतना लोग, पता नहीं कौन है, वो लोग पूरा भीड़ ही देख पाए, हम कुछ नहीं देख पाए।
Indian football faced administrative turmoil as the Indian Super League was pushed into uncertainty following disputes between stakeholders, broadcasters and governing bodies. With fixtures postponed and clubs left in limbo, players and coaches voiced frustration over contractual instability and lack of clarity. The existing standoff has threatened to derail momentum built over the past decade and raised deeper concern about governance structure within Indian football. For fans, the pause was a stark reminder of how off-field conflicts can stall progress on the pitch. The suspension of Aman Sehrawat by the Wrestling Federation of India became one of the biggest controversies of 2025, especially given his status as a bronze medalist at the Paris Olympic Games. Sehrawat was suspended after failing to make the prescribed weight during trials, an offence the federation termed a breach of discipline and selection protocol.
ये साल तो थोड़ा सा ठीक नहीं गया मेरे लिए। एशिया चैंपियनशिप भी नहीं लड़ पाया, थोड़ी इंजरी हुई थी। फिर वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप के लिए भैया ऐसा सोचा वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप लड़ेंगे, अच्छे से अच्छी तैयारी चल रही थी, बिल्कुल ट्रायल भी अच्छी गई, जो उम्मीद थी उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी गई। और फिर थोड़ी वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में गए थे हम, 15 दिन का कैंप था, बिल्कुल बढ़िया तैयारी थी। और फिर वेट लॉस करते करते कुल वेट तो आ गया था, कुल 600 ग्राम रह गया था। फिर हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे जिम में, एकदम पेट में दर्द हो गया, थोड़ी उल्टी आने लग गई भाई। फिर रूम में चले गए, ऐसा सोचा भाई 600 ग्राम है, थोड़ी देर में कर लेंगे प्रैक्टिस, कोई ज़्यादा वेट तो नहीं है। फिर थोड़ी देर में ठीक नहीं हुआ, फिर जो टीम के साथ डॉक्टर गए हुए थे उनसे गोली दवाई जो चल रही थी भाई थोड़ा बहुत खा पी के लिए, ऐसा सोचा भाई 1 किलो बच जाएगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, उसको घटा लेंगे सुबह। फिर 1.5 किलो चला गया फिर वजन सुबह फिर ठीक नहीं हो रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था सुबह 4 बजे उठ के प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, बेड से उठने की भी हिम्मत नहीं थी। तो फिर कोचेज आए भाई क्या करें, फिर मेरी तो बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं है। अब आप देखो मेरे तो बस की बात नहीं है।
एक्सेप्ट करोगे या अपील करोगे?
करेंगे रिक्वेस्ट, भाई इस पहली गलती थी, माफ़ कर दे, आगे से ऐसी गलती नहीं होगी। आगे जब मेन कंपटीशन आने वाले हैं, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप, एशियन गेम्स, एशिया की बार तो एशिया चैंपियनशिप भी लड़ेंगे, पिछली बार रह गई थी जो।
From the field of play to the corridors of administration, these moments shape the discourse of 2025, leaving lessons that sport cannot afford to ignore going forward.